Hello. In this video, I will discuss tidy data. So let's get it started. Tidy data is a well-organized, suitable format data in which we want to apply a machine learning algorithm, and it remains same throughout whole data science process. I discussed what does it mean by same, but in this video, I will discuss suitable format data. Suitable format data you can say in another names like well organized data, most structured data. Name is different but meaning is exactly same. So before moving forward, I want to talk about data. If you see around us, we find information everywhere. In fact, everything you observed in this universe is information, right? And data is nothing. It is a just representation of information present in this universe in the form of symbol, drawing or language. If you can see in the screen that there is a stone and lots of drawing, you can see a drawing is a data which reflect some information about this universe. uh, Data is either we count or compare. Compare means we divide the object based on the color and shape, and you may generally group them. For example, this is the object I seen in this universe, and if I want to categorize them, what can I do? First, I make a category of trees, and second, I make a category of peoples. But a well organized data reflect more information, or you can say you can extract more information from well organized data, and it is easy to understand, easy for analysis and predictable. I will demonstrate you by the example. Suppose there are two boys, and one is Ravi and another is Amit, and Ravi know the importance of organized data, and he know how to organize the information. Amit don't know about the organized data, he don't know the importance of organized data, and both of you go to the school for some work, and after that she reached in a ninth class, in which science class is running. And after some time what happened that a boy or a student hands up and say, what marks I got in a science. See, he is asking from the teacher, and after some time uh, teacher give the answer, and suddenly what happened that uh, one by one all the student hands up and asking for the marks in the science subject, and one by one teacher give the answer to all the student, and um, this event is happening, and this event is observed by the two, Ravi and Amit, and they collect the information in their brain. Okay, so this is the Ravi data and this is the Amit data, and but Ravi know how to organize the information. Now he start organizing his information like that, as you can see in the screen. Okay, so what he do, he organized the information. Now he organized the information, and now class is finished. After some time, both of you walk in the street in the school. Suddenly they met a teacher, which she also a second teacher of science subject of class ninth, and she have a list of marks and student. Okay, so she asked the question. She wants to know how she wants to know what these boys are observed in his class, in her class. So one by one she asks the question. She start from Ravi. So she asks the first question, which class you observed, and Ravi answered ninth class. So this is very simple answer. And she asks the second question, which subject studied in class, and science. He answer. And the third question is, what marks Sahil got. So this is some difficult question. So what he observed the information analysis from his brain database, in which information is organized. So after some time he got answer, and he give answer 54, which is correct. And similarly she asks the fourth question, which student got maximum marks, and he answered Rohan, which is also correct. And she asks the fifth question, Rahul is absent today, could you guess the marks? What he do now? He calculate the mean, and he give answer 63, which is nearly correct. Now it's turn to Amit. First question is, which class you observed? This is very simple question, so he give answer. And similarly second answer. In the third question, what happened that which marks Sahil got? Now he observing, he actually analyzes this answer of this question, and he little bit confused, because in his mind information is or not organized, and he get overwhelming. Okay, so he quiet. Similarly for fourth question, he is confused, because data is in a messy form, and he don't know what he do. So he can't able to give last three question. So as you can see that from messy data we cannot get much of information. Okay, if you want to get much information, first you need to have a organized form of data. Okay, so first step is organizing the information in a suitable way, and after that you got answer. First what we do, we observed. So this is observation and its value. After that what you do, we make a variable, and this is the value of variable. And after the mix it, we get a table form, which is nothing is the rows and column. So if you observed carefully, all observation become a row, as you can see in the screen, and all variable become column. Because I only write one variable, but you can see in the right toward right three variable, which is appropriate, and all the variable become columns, as you can see in the table, and all values placed in own cell. This is the cell. Okay, I highlighted it. This is what tidy data is trying to say, and tidyr provides lots of function to convert messy data set into a tidy set, and I will do in a next video. Thank you.